Let's make a sheep costume. Take a black full sleeve shirt, a black vest and black leggings. Take loose cotton from a local grocery store. You can even use cotton balls. Use a fabric glue to paste cotton onto the fabric. Now, if you use cotton balls, it becomes pretty easy to make and saves a lot of time and effort. However, if you have some time in hand, I would recommend using loose cotton because it kind of gives a very authentic feel to the entire costume. Now all you need to do is spread some fabric glue onto the vest. Use it on smaller sections at one go so that it doesn't dry up by the time you paste the cotton. And paste the cotton balls evenly across the vest. Now remember not to do this project on a sofa or a bed because the fabric glue tends to spill over to the surface and it can be a real mess to clean it up. It is essential to give the glue and the cotton enough time to dry. So always read the label behind the packet of the glue. It must generally mention that let it dry for 6 hours or 12 hours or 24 hours. Please follow those instructions properly because it makes a lot of difference. Remember, this vest will be worn upon a full sleeves black t-shirt, and if it has not dried up properly, it can become a little uncomfortable. You really don't want a sticky vest coming onto the t-shirt of your kid, and it could be a real mess if it kind of touches the kid's hair and all. Making this sheep costume takes a little time and effort, but trust me, it's totally worth it. Keep half an inch of space at the end so that it can be worn very easily. Now for the head part, take a satin ribbon or a satin belt from an old dress. Wrap it around a comfortable hairband. Leave 4-5 inches of the ribbon on one end, tie a proper knot and then secure the knot properly. Similarly, when you reach the other end of the hairband, leave equal amount of the ear space with the ribbon. You can use an old kid's mask to form a cap shape on which you can paste the cotton. All you need to do is now cut the end loops of the mask and then paste this part onto the hairband using the fabric glue. Now if you have used a satin mask or a satin ribbon around the hairband, then kindly do not use fabric glue to paste. So I would recommend using a cotton ribbon or a cotton belt around the hairband if you're planning to paste it. But if you know how to sew things together, then you can very well use satin fabric. What I did was I pasted the mask using a fabric glue onto the satin ribbon, and even after some 20-25 minutes the mask was coming off again and again. Then I had to really use a needle and thread to put things together in place. Anyway, for the cap part, use fabric glue onto the cotton bit of the mask and paste cotton on the mask. Don't forget to give enough time for things to dry up. So well, as I said, this is the mistake that I made. If you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe, like and press the bell notifications icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos. And the costume is ready. It looks so cute, doesn't it? Remember to subscribe.